So I just spent 40 minutes installing OpenClaw, the AI tool that changed names 3 times this month and hit every error possible. By the end of this, you'll have Claude level AI running locally on your machine, completely free, with access to tools Claude doesn't even have. First up, Docker. This is the container that runs OpenClaw. Search install Docker on Windows. Grab Docker desktop x86-64, but stop. Don't install yet. If you install Docker before prepping Windows, you'll hit errors. Here's what you need first. Open command prompt and type WSL-install. This takes about 2 minutes. Once it's done, restart. Yeah, annoying but necessary. After the restart, there's one more Windows setting most people miss, and it's the #1 reason Docker fails to launch. Search turn Windows features on or off, enable Windows subsystem for Linux, hit OK. Now before you restart again, check a task manager, then performance. Make sure virtualization is enabled. If it's not, you'll need to hit BIOS. Now install Docker, double click, click OK, let it run, close, restart one last time. Alright, we're halfway done. The Docker part is the longest, everything from here moves fast. Launch Docker, accept terms, skip the login, Docker's installed. Now the actual OpenClaw install. Search OpenClaw GitHub, click code, copy that URL, open your terminal, we're cloning it. Type git clone, then paste that URL, cd into OpenClaw, then run /docker-setup.sh. This takes about 3 to 4 minutes. While it runs, it's going to ask you some questions, so don't walk away. Choose yes, then quick start. For AI provider, I'm using Google because the free tier is generous. Paste your Gemini API key. Get it from Google AI Studio if you don't have one. I'll show that link in the description. Choose your model. I'm using Gemini 3 Flash Preview. Skip skills and hooks for now. Here's the part everyone messes up. When setup finishes, it gives you a URL with a token. Copy the entire thing, token included, and paste it in your browser. You'll see pairing required. Don't panic. Here's the 15-second fix. Go to C drive users, your username .openclaw devices. Open pending.json. Change silent from false to true. Save. Pro tip, sometimes it doesn't save on the first try, so double check before you refresh. Refresh your browser. Boom, OpenClaw is running. You now have OpenClaw running locally on your Windows using Docker. Next video, I'm diving into whether OpenClaw is actually safe to use. Comment safe if you want to see that breakdown. And if you got this working, reply with what you're building first. See you in the next one.